Hi everybody, Lauren here from Anita Goodesign, and I am here to talk about our 1-2-3 quilting system. I absolutely love this system because it allows you to be able to really customize your quilt blocks, and it gives you tons and tons of possibilities for your creations of these quilts. Now, how exactly does this system work? You're going to choose your background first. That's step 1. Step 2 is to choose your frame, and then step 3 is to choose the design you put in the middle. Now, I have some hoopings here to show you that and what that looks like. So right here we have our first hooping. This is our background stitching that I chose. Now, I have this here, of course, in a darker thread for you to see, but often in traditional quilts, you may have your background stitches match your fabric, or not. You can have them contrast as well. Then step 2 is to then choose your frame. Now, of course, you are doing this all within your machine, adding and building that block step by step. So here I picked a folded fabric border, very traditional looking, but you might have multiple folded fabric borders that you may choose, or you may choose to not have a border at all. That's obviously up to you, but that is step 2 of the 1-2-3 system. Now, of course, step 3 is to choose the design that you would like in the middle, and here we have this beautiful flower here. Okay, now why is this special? When you think about traditional quilting and you think about your background stitches, in a traditional block, if I was stitching out my flower, my background stitches would go throughout my block and then leave a negative space where my flower was going to be. So that meant I had to put the flower there because it fits like a puzzle piece almost. Well, with this 1-2-3 system, because those background stitches go all the way across the block, I can choose to put my flower in there. I can choose a bumblebee. I can choose any design that I would like that fits into the size of my block I've chosen. So it really opens up your library and your catalog of designs that you can choose to create these quilt blocks, which again gives us options. And what do we love more than anything is to have more and more options. So what's great about these is not only do you have to use, or can you use, the designs from your Quilting 1-2-3 collection, you can choose any of your Anita Goodesign embroidery that would fit, again, in the size of the block you choose, and you can create and customize your blocks that way. Now, the very first collection that came out was our premium collection called Quilting 1-2-3. Now, of course, that was such a huge hit. Everybody loves Quilting 1-2-3. So we decided to expand that system, and we came out with a few other collections. Autumn 1-2-3 came, Christmas 1-2-3, and then Spring 1-2-3. So we have lots of Quilting 1-2-3 collections for you to choose from. So these are all the same system. They're just themed to fit that season. But excellent, excellent, lots of options, which of course is what we love. Lots of different themes, more and more options. So I hope this gives you a little bit more of a better idea of what our 1-2-3 system is and how it works. Happy stitching.